Our project centers around building a quadcopter that is deployable from AeroVironment's larger Puma LE unmanned aerial vehicle. Our team must meet 4 main customer requirements that AeroVironment has given us. Firstly, both of our drones must be able to fit inside of Puma's payload bay. Secondly, each drone must be LTE connected and controllable via video in real time. Thirdly, each drone must be able to recover from a mid-air tumble at a minimum altitude of 35 meters. And lastly, each drone must meet a requirement of a minimum of 10 minutes of hover time.
To accommodate the project's volume constraints, a specialized loading geometry was chosen, dubbed the side Tetris configuration. The drones themselves deploy via a rail system through servo-driven bay doors. A custom spring-loaded frame combined with folding propellers minimizes the drone's spatial footprint. The test drone was assembled from several stock parts mounted on a custom frame. The frame itself was created using components cut from carbon fiber via water jet.
What'd I do?
An in-house Puma surrogate aircraft has been modified to accommodate the mission-accurate volume. An acrylic box matching the mission-specific payload dimensions was installed in the surrogate aircraft. After months of hard work, the final prototype of the drone is ready. With all manufacturing plans fulfilled, the team transitions to the testing phase.
The impacts of our project will hopefully be felt across the entire military. With our vehicle, military personnel will be able to do reconnaissance safely and avoid close-quarter threats.